What happens when the justice system and politics collide head-on? How does this affect the balance of power and the pursuit of truth? Today we delve into the recent demand by former President Donald Trump for Judge Tanya Chutkan to recuse herself from his case. Without going into the nitty-gritty, Trump's request was grounded on his belief of bias against him. This is not the first time a political figure has called for a judge's recusal, but does it raise questions about the impartiality of our justice system? Former President Trump, not new to controversy, has once again stirred the political pot. This time he's demanding that Judge Tanya Chutkan recuse herself from his case, which involves an indictment for attempting to overturn the 2020 election. Trump's legal team plans to request this recusal on powerful grounds, though the specifics of these grounds remain undisclosed. It's important to note that recusal is a significant move that's rarely granted. It typically hinges on evidence of personal bias or prejudice, a claim that Trump hasn't substantiated. This controversial demand joins a series of others, including Trump's request for a venue change, as he insists he won't receive a partial jury in the current location. Adding fuel to the fire, Trump compared his indictment to an un-American witch hunt, a statement that has drawn criticism from various quarters. His social media rants, including attacks on House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, have only contributed to the controversy. Trump's demand has certainly raised eyebrows, but the question remains, will his request be granted? Every action has a reaction, and in the political sphere, these reactions can be polarizing. Trump's demand for Judge Chutkan's recusal has stirred the political pot, drawing a flurry of responses from all corners. Critics argue that this move undermines the justice system, setting a dangerous precedent for future trials. Some view it as a strategic play, an attempt to manipulate the court's composition in his favor. This isn't the first time such a demand has been made. A similar situation arose with Ginny Thomas, wife of Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas. She allegedly supported efforts to overturn the 2020 presidential election, leading to calls for Justice Thomas to recuse himself from related cases. These instances underline the intricate dance between politics and justice, where personal affiliations can cast shadows on judicial impartiality. As this situation unfolds, it serves as a stark reminder of the intricate interplay between politics and justice. It remains to be seen how this will shape the future of our democracy.